fall. I am so excited for this season but I'm not really feeling it in LA, to be honest. It's like pretty warm here, so I am so excited to be packing right now for our Japan trip. Japan has been closed for 2 or 3 years during the pandemic. It finally opened up a couple weeks ago, so I'm going with Max, Jason and Jessie, and we're gonna go to our matcha farms. We're gonna explore Tokyo, Kyoto, all of that, and I am so excited. First of all, because I freaking love Japan. I don't know, the whole vibe there, it just like inspires me so much. I think their fashion is really cool, like just the food, it's just like everything. It's gonna be like pretty chilly there, so I definitely need some like fall looks. I'm gonna take you guys with and kind of show you what kind of new pieces I got, how I going to style some stuff. It is very chaotic in my room right now. There you can see the suitcases are getting ready. I do have to say, I am packing now a week before, or like start to pack, which is actually something I normally don't really do. When I pack really last minute, it just gives me so much anxiety, so I'm like, Sanne learned from this. We're gonna pack early. I made a little rack. I got this actually out of my storage unit, and I like put some looks on here that I'm going to wear and I'm going to pack. And yeah, I feel like in Japan, especially in Tokyo, everyone like dresses so cool and like so different, kind of edgy type of style, like very street style. And then you have this like very more like cute kawaii, and I just like love the kind of like mix of that. I actually went to Snidel's website. They also have a store in New York where I went in the fall. I got a couple things delivered and I like styled them out. I want to show you guys kind of what I got. You know, I'm always like cold and freezing, so I was like bringing a good sweater would be very helpful. And I really like this white one, and it has some like special, I don't know, it's not just a basic simple sweater. Even though you can style it very simply, it has these like really cool cutouts, and it's like very cozy and warm. And I combined it with a skirt. This one is also from Snidel. I just feel like a basic little skirt is super helpful in the fall because it's like a good transition between summer and winter. You can combine it with like a light tee, but then with a little jacket or with like a sweater. I think it's very essential. I really like this one. It has like little pants underneath, like a skirt, I would say. And I personally prefer it because I just like feel a little bit more comfortable, especially because I'm so tall, like things are often too short on me, so then a little dress with a thing underneath is really nice. And then I combined it with these like chunky loafers. It gives me a little bit schoolgirl vibes, I would say. So yeah, that is look number 1. And then I was like, okay, if it gets a little bit warmer, I always bring a white shirt or white blouse, how I say it in Europe. I feel it's just always easy to like combine with stuff. So I got this one from Snidel with like really puffy sleeves, and it has a really cute accent in the top. I don't know, I thought it was like really cool, and then I just styled it with a pair of jeans, very casual. And if I want to, I can also throw on a blazer if it's like too cold, and I think it's just kind of like a cool vibe. So yeah, definitely get a nice white shirt into your fall closet, or just I feel in your essentials anyway. Kind of like simple and classic like anyway. I've been following this account on TikTok where this woman, I forgot her name, describes styles from people in 3 words, and I was actually thinking about mine and I had a really hard time, so I'm actually curious what you guys would say. If there are 3 words to describe my style, what would it be? I'm very curious. Okay, let me show you the other look. I have them hanging up here. So I also wanted to get something a little bit more cool and edgy. I just feel, I don't know, I like dressing up and to kind of like switching it up a little bit. And I saw this oversized dress with these like strings on it. It's almost like a tunic, and I thought it was really cool. It's light. I combine it with these really big boots, and I just think it makes the look like a little bit cooler. I also added a little skirt underneath because I'm so tall. Sometimes things can be a little bit short on me. And then in the front it has this tiny little detail as well. It just makes it a little bit a little bit extra. So yeah, this one is definitely coming with as well. And I also wanted some like really comfy stuff. I'm not sure if I'm able to like pack this actually because it's very fluffy. Maybe I take it on the airport, but I think this is really cool. I don't know if you guys have heard of Eames, like Eames chairs. These are these like super classic, like cool designs. And they did a collab with GELATO PIQUE. So GELATO PIQUE is like sister brand from Snidel. And I got their collaboration piece and it's so fluffy. So this is the sweater and I wish you guys could feel this fabric just like through the camera. When you put this on, it's like you're just falling into a cloud, into a blanket. And it has this like matching pants with it. And it's just, I don't know, it's kind of like funky. I really like it. Definitely when I like put it on, I was like, okay, it looks better on than when I have it like off, but it is incredibly soft. And then I also wanted to get like one more comfy one. I wear sweat sets and cute little sets 80% of the time when I'm home in LA. It does get a little cold here, especially on the west side in the evening. Obviously, you guys know I love the neutrals. So I have this also from GELATO PIQUE. This is also like super fluffy and soft. And then I also got these matching shorts with it, and it has like matching socks as well. This one I'm definitely going to pack because I feel it's just like so comfy, you know, also when I'm in the hotel room and things like that. And I also like styled a couple of other looks with kind of pieces that I already had in my closet. One of them is this jacket. I think I got this like right before Coachella. I don't know why, it's not a Coachella fit, but this is again that kind of more like edgy like vibe to it. I love blazers. I'm a blazer girl. It's embarrassing if you look in my closets how many blazers I have. You know, when I was living in New York, I was basically wearing a blazer every single day. I just feel it kind of like dresses up your whole look while being still comfortable because they're all like oversized. But yeah, here in LA, I just like don't really wear it so much. I think it's safe to say that my fashion style here went kind of down. I'm not mad about it because now if I go somewhere, I'm like, you know, more into it. But yeah, this like really big oversized blazer thing is super cool. It's really nice because I have that look with the dress, with the boots and the skirt, and I can just like switch it up from like day to night and just throw this one. And I think that's the best thing to do when you travel and you pack, to kind of combine certain looks so you don't overpack a lot of stuff. And then I kind of saw I have so many dark kind of colors, even though I really like light colors too for fall, and I think it kind of suits as well. I got this like very cozy cropped sweater, and I kind of wanted to go for a light like monogram look, and I think it just looks so stylish. So I put these like jeans on that I literally wear almost every day, like they're my favorite jeans ever. And then I'm going to bring this really big trench coat also to Japan. I think it's like very stylish. It's like nice if it's raining because it actually might rain there. It's like easy to like fold in. It's light in my suitcase. So I thought this was kind of like a bomb look. I thought it was great. And to kind of build off like the what is the word? Mono look. I also got this little top from another brand. It's kind of like a little more sexy with the opening here in the front, and it's this like knitted fabric. And what I really like is that the sleeves have these like holes in it so you can put your hands in it, so your hands can stay nice and warm while your boobies get a little chilly. But yeah, this is really fun for like a dinner or like night out or something. And I really like it with the light pants, so you kind of like more in a light color. So yeah, those are some of the looks that I am going to bring. I'm still in the middle of packing. Honestly, it's quite a mess right now. So I need to do still so much laundry. I will actually show you. All my laundry is right there. That is not so great. My suitcases are ready. I just need to like figure out the whole shoe situation. I feel with that's really hard to figure out which shoes you're taking with. But yeah, I'm so excited for fall. I'm so excited for this Japan trip. Obviously, I'm going to vlog there too, so that will be a lot of fun. But I will show you a bit more how I pack for everything. Okay, Morning. Sorry, it is early. Today is travel day. I already put a lot of stuff in my suitcase. I was up till like midnight last night, just like trying to organize and pack, because I am trying to limit my luggage, like to make it not too heavy, but it's so freaking hard. I have so much respect for people who are able to travel light. I still need to like practice it, because I had all these cute looks, but not everything is going to fit, so it's a little bit of a puzzle, but I'm going to squeeze everything in right now. Definitely something what really helps is to pack in these little travel packets. So for example, in here I have my underwear and my socks and stuff, and then in here I have like t-shirts, and to put everything in those little sections, it just makes it more organized. Also, another little tip, I always bring like an empty bag like this, so if you have laundry, like stinky socks and stuff are not just like floating around in your suitcase, I can put them in the laundry bag, so while I'm traveling, kind of like stays everything together. Okay, let's start packing. Ooh, I also think some laundry is done. So my carry-on here is honestly a little random. I always put my designer bags in here, and then I obviously have my matcha kit, my foam roller, makeup, and this is just like cords, equipment, and all of that. So we're going to bring this. Also, these suitcases are from Away, and I really love them. They're so sturdy. They look always very sleek, and they're just really great. Anyway, I'm going to change, and Jessie's going to pick me up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you very soon again.